just making some pens here now. What? Okay guys, how are you today? Not so bad. Oh, it's the same day as the ending of the last video, dumping the peas there. But anyway, there's our barley. I just started in. That's my sample, about 110 bushel. Good enough. So what we're up to is we're gonna pick up the, this is where we are with all the bales of green feed. So this is all gonna be seed, and I think it's all gonna fit in a tandem, but I'm not sure. But anyways, she's bone dry. It was testing 11, so, and 14.5 on the feed barley is dry. So, and you want to do malt, it's got to be 13.5. Just watch South Sask Farmers barley video. He'll tell you it's got to be bone dry to be malt. So anyways, we're gonna keep giving her shit here. I don't know how many acres are here or not, but anyway, I'm going to keep giving her on here. So I will get back to you in a bit when I get a load or something. So see you in a few. There's a little green down in there yet, but that's why you swath your barley, guys. Look at how the heads are hanging over. If I leave this too much longer, the freaking heads would fall right off. At least on a normal, like a normal feed barley or malting barley, it would for sure. I don't know about this stuff. This is the first time I've ever combined silage barley before. But yeah, really all I can show you. My hopper's just about full already, so can't show you too much of that. But anyway, just keep chugging along here. It's running pretty good. I don't know, might get, probably get more seed than the guy planned on getting here anyways, but whatever, that's all right. Anyway, I'll see you in a few. Nice. Oh. Some of that straw is pretty green, but whatever. Barley's dry, so that's the main thing. Okay, good enough. Is she coming in there good or what? Yeah, not so bad. Not going very fast because the straw is quite green under here yet, like with green kochia and whatnot. Can't really tell on the, can't really tell from the phone, but it's down in there, that frickin' shit. See, look over there, green, 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 green. Oh well. Anyway, I don't need to get too much of this. There's not really much going on here anyways. Just gonna pick up this bit of barley and head over to the wheat. So see you in a few. Go baby go! We're in the wheat, boys! Woo boy! This is the old one. The one we did all the work to. And the other one is that cloud of dust over there. It's got the Redicop chopper on it. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait for a load. I got it all set here, so. Should be okay. And of course the dust blows right towards us here. Nice, I like that. Just wanted to breathe in wheat dust all day. Couldn't wait for it. But anyway, I guess I'll see you in a bit, guys. Had to close the bottom sieve a little bit, had a few white caps in her. So he's gonna go halfway and cut a strip down, then they can work away from each other. Then they won't be in each other's dust, plugging up the radiators and stuff. So that's a good idea. I sure like that Redicop. It chops like a bitch, but she takes horsepower. That's for sure. I'd like to put them side by side if I ran the other one. Because I know the other one's turned up quite a bit with that AFX and everything in there. And the old injection pump is ready to rip and everything, and it's just pretty good, guys. Yeah, real good. Well, I'll go dump this load here pretty quick and then go pick up some supper. So I'll see you in a bit. Never mind, I'm gonna zoom in and watch them go here. She ain't no Welkers, boys, but she's fucking just mint. There's Ashley over there. Just making dust, these guys. Nice. Straight cutting's a way to go. Just kidding, Nick. Alright, see you later. Whoops. Taking a jig with art. We're not going very fast, but we're going. Woo, boy! Listen to him, purr. I got my foot in the carburetor. Oh, shit, yeah. Seen a few. Oh gosh, yeah. Woo! Look at that, boys. #1 high protein milling wheat. Fucking rags. Old 1070, just crushing it. Nice. The old LED light on the front. Right on. So I forgot to tell you there, Dad, today, he says, oh, you want to check the sample? I said, sure. So he stopped his combine. I said, Ashley's there, and she took off and doing good or whatever. He said, well, what does hers look like? I said, oh, fuck it. Mint. Nice, no white caps or hardly anything in there. Okay. Oh, yeah, check this one. So we check it. I said, oh, fuck. I think we got to close the bottom sieve a little bit. Throw a little bit back in the old return. Anyway, with that Redicop chopper, there's a plastic shroud that comes down and deflects the straw and chaff into the chopper. Well, we drilled 2 holes and I made some wing nuts to hold it. Well, I took a pair of pliers out, 7/16 wrench, and held the nut there, and fuck, I didn't even need the pliers. Set it on the old tire and tweaked the sieve, and he fucked off and he says, Jesus, there's something wrong with this thing. I think you went the wrong way. I said, nah, fuck, that's impossible. So anyway, he gets out. I said, well, you're gonna have to close the sieve more, I guess, or give her a little more wind. So he gets out and looks, fucking goddamn pliers right through the fucking tire. Ah, so that combine's got a brand new tire on it too. So there's the story for today. Started out in the wheat there, and now, yeah, one strip flat tire. Nice, just what a guy needs. Anyway, I'll finish dumping this, and then we'll go get Stan. So see you in a bit, guys. See you in a bit, few. Good few. Oh, guys, how are you this morning? Would be a lot better if the price of wheat was up. Jesus, is it shitty right now. Anyway, we Ash went and got a bunch of snacks for us. She's running the other combine, her and the kids. Usually I'll take a kid with me or both or whatever too, but oh, it's freaking hot. It's 36 degrees already. Anyways, I gotta jump out and run around and dump trucks, so I said you better just take both the little buggers today. So anyways, we're going to keep thrashing the wheat here. We moved across the creek there last night and scooted over to this side. There's a few spots like down in here, down in there, that's green. I don't know, but see how bad it is. I might just cut around them and come back when the roundup actually works, or I might just come over with the swather and cut it down, because I got to cut seed over on that half section over there too. So anyway, I get you some footage of this new combine going, I guess. So all right, we'll talk to you later. How are you now? Good news. Just giving a guy a load here. Nice. The other one's up there waiting. Right on. That's good. Keep bringing in the bushels. Got my ice cold air conditioning. I ain't fucking running out today, boys. It's gonna be cold in here. That's just not too bad. It is kind of hot still, but whatever. Good enough. Anyway, I'll if I can make it back before they're full again, I'll get some footage of them chewing away here. So we'll see you in a few. Holy shit, these guys, I can't even make it back. They're sitting there waiting in their air conditioning, waiting for me to get back. Dagnabbit, I need another semi. Oh well, whatever. Maybe one day. Oh good, no leaks on the old girl, that's nice. Whoa! Better back up there a little bit. Right there, good enough. There we go. There we go. Old Dan waiting for to dump his load. Woo boy, she's fucking hot out. Holy mother. Better get you some footage now, because I can't seem to make it back. Holy fucking shaky bastard. Just clipping along with the old girl. Anyway, better get going or they'll be waiting for me again. The big onion. Let's go, boys. Sorry for the roughness. Go, baby, go! I better get up there. She's gonna be full right away. You can see it on top. Nice. There we have it, guys. Last strip. Last strip of this wheat. Well, for now, anyways. I got all that kosher shit. Where is it now? Hang on. All that kosher down there. You see where the wheat is standing? So I gotta leave that die till the roundup works, and then I'll just come back, but whatever. Good enough. Oh yeah, how's your brand new tire? Fuck's sakes. Listen to him bark. Right on. Well, boys and girls, we got the old wheat done over there on that half. Well, not really done. There's probably 30 or 40 acres, something like that. You frickin' hose, get the hell in there. Come on. Anyway, we're now over to Right Con's. Right Con! See, there, he's over there. So we're just greasing everything up here. Getting ready to go. We're going to start on his here today. On his wheat. So anyway, that'll be another video. So I'll start it here right away, and I'll get this one edited and get it uploaded for you guys. Holy jeez, I need a skinny guy to get through here. Anyway, that'll be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, which means you need to subscribe. Hit that little button that says subscribe, just like it says, and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell, because then it tells you when we got a new video coming up. So we're going to be pumping videos out here probably every 2 days, every 2-3 days. Kind of like what we've been doing, but you know. So anyway, we're going to get this all serviced up and get going on this wheat here this morning. So we'll talk to you later and see you in the next one. Everybody have a good day, right, Con? Want to talk about J, want to talk about you, want to talk about N, fucking K. Junk, driving drunk all day. At least the fucking air works.